What do you do? Hey yo, what's good YouTube? Boy President, that's going to welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm back on a banger. And please don't mind my hair. Like I'm covering my hair with a what's this a helmet or a kitchen hair bonnet. Hair bonnet and kitchen because I'm currently at work and the weather is not nice in Cape Town. As you can see, guys, it's raining there. So I bet guys. Muda say mana tazukane tutuko mubupisa mana ngoti abanda tosiya poto amana ichomka tundono topisa poto drimbaso mamana so nangoti ngingombanya ningokunyeurira chiguwo maisiya unyoro huno pasina mbotata akudza maisiya because inini ndotozikana kuti mukomana make out the fullest prezo makuwa maisiya ainyadze vanhu dzefambire. In fact I love nyadze vangu darika relationship yangu because nyadze vanhu makes me wait. But anyway guys, if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Man, those are fast, man. But if it's your first time here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. And I see one more than 20 points. Praise, you know what you chico intro. I'm going to try fast. This is that. Try slow, guys. Don't matter around, guys. Then I don't know every day. So that's why the quality. You can't do carnango. It's just a little bit an ask me. So say to none, but get good carnango and nature and hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Praise _ dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm back with another banger. Jopando zoti. What would you do another banger? Because nature of fun neza. Neza kama zoranji. Nima capturators neza kutukuza kupeza. I know the interaction yaka ready samani. Nice. So guys, that's not the case. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Channel ino njema kuwa kumjewa. Nino kuzikano like pando zikano nice. So, tazo kwanza kubata chikumana tight and cha expose kuti why chakarambana na ex wacho maize tazozifambira I think video yachana is gonna post it or ato post it on Facebook wake I don't know, but anga chitora kutanzi reason akasiyana na ex wake awu kumtengera ka short kelo anzi ex wake achikera choda ngone chiro chemoyo wakaita problem chiro chemoyo ne then achibvaita se achibvaitwa heart transplant. So anzi pakazodzoka manje ex wake kuchipatara ka samuzura kaita ndrekuti taita akadzoka asiri moyo ma ex vake because vangaitwa inonzi heart plant maiziya. So guys, ndakubvunza kuti ichokwadi here zviri possible here kuna wakaita science because ina ndiziye ina not a scientist and I'm not a artist andiziye nezvemoyo because zvemoyo zvinonetsa but ameno guys zviri possible here zvinoitika because kuti kumana chikisama nyebvo anzi vakaitwa ex vake vakaitwa heart transplant. So pakadzoka ex vake kuchipatara anzi ndakabva ndadzoka ndisiri moyo make abva ngoniti akadzoka asingatondiziye because moyo maanga ari moyo wacho wakangoraswa wangu wafa maisi vaiswa mumwe moyo munyowani. So ndokurambana kwakaita next wake I don't know how far true is it true or lies or mabvas maisi, but there's no something like it's not like nandaona police avanoda kutiza maisi. But ameno guys kuti kuona kwenyu funga kwenyu tingere chokwadi kana kuti mabhas kana malines I don't know what you think guys. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Mundu zoti zviri possible here zvinoitika here kuti anze munhu anzi noti munaitwa heart transplant odzoka sisi moyo wangara wakabviswa but andokurambana kwakaita ex wacho angasandomwe remember. But I bet guys hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, I bet guys hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. I'm saying besides kuwana bokuda guys, the content on that, the vlogs, nema question and answers, my podcasts, my sit down videos, my more and more content nakawanda but the views. I know to washika pana but you want to balance tight. You to know danya wena siyana nyadze vanhu but so it is what it is. Even in the tower boys nyadze vanhu maise. So please go and check out my content. I'm posting more content soon in a vlog rubuya Thursday maybe by Monday. I might post the vlog rogo na kuya. Which includes a baby rangu if it's possible. Kana ndashuka pa 3000. Unge ndashuka pa 3000 subscribers. I'm gonna post vlog iroro. Who knows baby takazunurura. Maybe takenda kuma info. Who knows? No one knows. So thank you for watching my content. If you have enjoyed, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you are new here, please like, subscribe again. Welcome to the family. Our family. So do what you do best and I'm keep on doing this. Do what you do best and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Praise Makara, the best gossiper in Zimbabwe. Let me kiss you. I love you guys.